It's a great day at Wolf GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right we have our various drive modes appear on the dash, including normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, as well as the park brake. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with a heated steering wheel button. And on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above we have OnStar and some lighting controls. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We've also got that hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. Two cup holders, and to the left here we've got our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition we have the painted grille surround and bumper, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, black side mirrors, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry on them, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Elevation badging down the side, black running boards, and as we make our way to the back here, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also has the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob here. Push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got GM's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that step down. The box of the truck has got cargo hooks and LED lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, some USB and USB-C plug-ins, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfgmcbuick.com.